Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner?
Fancy happily and family. Fun gardening.
Yellow deck giveaway. Who's the 8th comment?
You got mask on. You can't see that. You want to take my hat off?
I know. We can see y'all.
Show my afro.
So I have a YouTube channel, a gardening channel. I'm giving away this paint gun to make painting easier.
Okay.
And it's 15 contestants, and I need you to pick a number 1 through 15,
Eight.
and whoever is number 8 won. Why number 8? Why you pick number 8? All right. Well, number 8 is the winner.
So what I win?
Oh my God, I'm from Atlanta, by the way.
Yeah.
So, it's just Legend and I. Legend, we're at the airport by ourselves. It's just Legend and I in the airport. Legend. Y'all, I've been listening to or watching some singing show. So I'm gonna be singing a lot. I don't know why I got this stroller. I was pushing my bag. Oh, I could have left the stroller at home. Okay, let's go upstairs. Where are the people? We're 3 hours early for our flight because they told us to come early. We followed directions. And there's no one here. Bird dog. Hi, bird dog. Oh, Belle. This here is Belle. Joanne. Hi, Joanne. At least we have some visitors and some pregnant women. Oh, the legacy. A legacy and a dream. Martin Luther King. Hi, Martin. Born 1929, passed away 1968. Life taken at such a young age. Hi, Martin's family. His family. Whoa, you're gonna go drive it? Well, there's no one in the airport, so I guess you can get away with it. Oh, gosh. This is empty. The restaurants aren't even open yet. I guess that means I can sing in the airport by myself. Just sing in the airport by myself. I don't need no mask when it's just me and Legend. We just passed the airlines that's flying to Dallas. Sad face. We missed Dallas. Heart. That's a half a heart. My hand's busy. Now LA. Oh, I miss LA too. This is why I love airports, because you get to fly across the world. Legend is finding every circle, 6 feet circle on the ground. It's so many germs. Legend, get off the ground. And now he's gone. Must be another circle over there. Legend, we can't see you. He's back. You got to go in the sky? Okay. Okay, now this looks better. I have the wrong seats. But now Legend have his window. That kid be focused on paying attention to everything around him. Mask is required. It's a little cold here. Is this your bus? Oh, what's this your bus? Oh, your bus wait. This is why I don't live in the north no more. Because I used to have to wait out here for buses too many times.
Now you got a car, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't got no car.
Your baby.
My baby right here.
Yeah. Okay.
Legend looking at the bus. Hey,
You got all about him?
look. Yeah, so I just wanted to pick somebody. Your name is?
Stan.
Hi, Stan.
You want my number or something?
No, Stan, my y'all would kill me. All right, see you later. Number 8 is the winner. So, well, let me show y'all how to dress warm in the cold. You see, I got on a shirt. I have on another, let me show y'all, another shirt underneath. You gotta have layers of clothes. And then don't let these jeans fool you. I got on jeans. Y'all see my socks? But I also have on tights. Right there. You gotta have some tights, socks, jeans, 2 shirts. You gotta have on scarves, hats, a wig on top of my hair because it's too cold to have your real hair out. Ain't no way. So I hope y'all enjoy. Come on, Legend, let's go. Come on, Legend, let's go. This little tour in Washington, D.C. And now I'm about to be a lady and head over there to Zara. Woo! Back. I want to say congratulations to the winner. Oh, Mallory, you were the one that commented and said you needed one of these. So, universe, God, this is your Christmas present. Congratulations. Enjoy spring, making your garden beautiful. Okay, so next up is me touring 5 states looking for Christmas ornaments. So this will be my Merry Christmas video. I did go on a shopping Christmas ornament spree. All right, y'all. See y'all in my next one. Bye.